Hi! In front of me is OPPO Find X2 Lite, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all your downloads. Firstly, you need to find an app called My Files. When you find it, click on it. Then click on Files at the bottom left corner. Scroll down and tap on Downloads. As you can see, all my downloaded files are over here. To access one, click on it and tap on one of those sources, like photos. Then select Settings if you see this kind of pop-up and tap on the switcher next to Allow access to manage all files. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!